Hello guys, welcome back to the PDSG TV. Today we have another travel vlog for you guys and we are in Rabat, Malta. Guys, remember to subscribe, like the video and share with your friends, loved ones and family. And remember to leave a comment because we also like to know what you guys like about this vlog. And yes, enjoy this vlog! Good morning, we are in Malta and we have just had breakfast and look at the view, look at the view, look at the view. It's really good. I'm really enjoying my morning. It's so sunny but it's also really fresh and I like it. And I also found my necklace that I lost, not really lost, it was inside my school bag that I've not used in like a year, so that's why I didn't find it. Hello guys, so quick update. Came back from breakfast and we're gonna be exploring the city. That's what we're gonna do. Exploring, it's like an inner city. Kelly, why did you pause?
No, because it's surprising. Everyone is doing this thing now, even people that are old.
Yeah, but it's so cute though.
Because it was his father and son that was recording one person, and obviously recording the mom, and she was like, stop, and she's looking at the footage.
The way Kelly paused again, I love your pauses. Stop.
I don't even know where we are currently.
Don't worry. If you snap this place, you're definitely going to see it in your Google location.
I like being
at
Lombra.
We are in San Pietro, St. Peter's Street.
Oh, I like how they have the translation.
St. Peter's.
So we previously took pictures and now we're going to take some ice cream.
So this is one activity we should do.
Good afternoon. So we are walking to Dingley Cliffs. Currently running, missed our bus because Google Maps did not help at all. So we found the bus stop which is next to the church and the sun is really sunny. So we were supposed to go to Dingley Cliffs but the bus comes in an hour. So we're just gonna walk in the city and just like explore it. A little tip for people that are traveling, make sure you always go early in the morning to places because no one is waiting for a bus. No one is waiting for a bus. I'm not waiting 1 hour for a bus, so always go early. Planning to be in every frame, so yeah, if you see me in every frame, mind your business. So guys, we had a change of plan. Like I said before, we wanted to go to Dingley, but then the bus, it was going to take like an hour for us to wait, and we decided not to go, but we're probably going to go tomorrow. So this is where we're going to eat. I know it looks like I'm in the forest, but I'm not. So I know my parents are going to watch this and they're going to be like, are you in the forest? No, this is a restaurant. So are we going for a walk, guys?
Yeah, with this line.
Have you heard about the healing book? Go to www.pdsgtv.com, where you will find a best-selling book by the PDSG TV. Learn and understand about healing. Hurry up, because the book is selling fast and it's selling at half the price. Half the price, guys. Half the price. It's an offer you cannot miss.
Take me home. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to do the Dingley thing anymore.
What is this? Listen, you should be careful. Water is coming close to the water.
Oh Lord, I will never want to be a driver to drive here. It's bad.
The cactus.
Yes. I want to start. At Grotto Island. I will update you guys. So it's very warm outside, and guess, look where we are. Warm. It's hot. It's hot. It's very hot outside. We are at Blue Grotto. Behind me there is water. Valletta, and if you see the view behind me, guys, it's very hot, and we're in Valletta, exploring the city here. Early in the morning, and we're trying to go to Valletta, and from Valletta we're trying to go to Gozo Island. So yeah, today's Friday. Actually really warm, and I wanted to put my hair down to make it aesthetically pleasing, but I'm getting tan, like really tanned, because like, can you see that mark? That's where I put my hair ties on my scrunchie, and I'm dark. My hair is all messed up, but I'm carrying like a so we are whacking, and we're going to do the laundry today. Haven't given up an update in like such long time. Do some laundry, and now we're gonna go and eat at McDonald's, because why not in Malta?
Yeah, you can still come back sometimes. Some years from now.
Oh, è vero! Non dovrebbe... Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment, share with friends and family, follow us on our social media.